How to fix Cash App can't link card at this time error. When try after some time. If you cannot link your card to Cash App at the moment, it is best to wait for a few hours or try the next day. So, if there are some technical issues, they might get fixed automatically. If not, try other ways listed below. To enter all details correctly, make sure to enter the correct details of your card, such as your card number, CVV number, card expiry date, and the cardholder name. 3. Make sure internet is working. Another very common reason you cannot link your card is that your internet is not working, or it isn't stable. 4. Make sure your card is supported by Cash App. Cash App only supports card from Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. 5. Make sure card isn't expired or blocked. Check the expiry date on your card to make sure it isn't expired. Also, contact your bank or use the card anywhere else to ensure that it isn't blocked or frozen. 6. Ensure your Cash App profile name is same as on the card. Your name of Cash App profile should be the same as the name associated with your card or bank account. 7. Check Cash App server status. If you have tried everything and still you are unable to link your card, then this problem may not be on your end. It may be the case that the servers of the Cash App are down. 8. Update Cash App. Using an outdated version of the Cash App can also cause issues while linking your debit card to the app. So, make sure you are using the latest version of the Cash App on your device. 9. Clear Cash App cache and data. Cache is a temporary data our device store to run the app smoothly and faster. However, with time this data can become large with time, and rather than providing benefits it can cause issues. That being said, to clear the cache of the Cash App, go to your device settings applications Cash App Clear Cache. 10. Try using browser. Some users in the past have reported that they were able to link their debit card with Cash App by using the Cash App in the browser. So, this can also work for you. Just visit the Cash App website, sign in with your email or phone, and link your card. If it gets the job done, you are good to go. And obviously changes in the Cash App browser app will reflect in your Cash App mobile application on your device.